Karen Reed was found not guilty of murdering her boyfriend, but the boyfriend's family has filed a wrongful death lawsuit against her. How could this happen? These are actually two separate cases. There's a criminal case and a civil case, and they involve different legal standards for the burden of proof, which is how much evidence you have to win your case. So in a criminal case, the state has to prove Karen Reed guilty of murder beyond a reasonable doubt. In a civil case, the victim's family has to prove that she illegally caused the death of her boyfriend by a preponderance of the evidence, which means more likely than not. Reasonable doubt, preponderance of the evidence. So the jury in the criminal case could find that she was not guilty of murder beyond a reasonable doubt. But the jury in the civil case could then find that she legally caused the death of her boyfriend because it's a lower burden of proof. And here's where it gets really interesting. The judge in the civil case won't even let the jurors know about the criminal trial, although most jurors are going to know about it anyways and what happened. This is just like the O.J. Simpson case. In the criminal case, the jury found him not guilty of murder. But in the civil case, the jury found that he was liable for the wrongful death and awarded a $33 million verdict against him.